Right? So, kung long run ta karon, long run, dito as let's say, ang akong ihatag mo ko sa inyo, ani kay long run fraction function. Naman short run, pero it will take time naman good. So, ano na lang ta sa long run. Assume nga ang atong isopon is equal to 1.01 labor raised to the power of 0.55 and capital raised to the power of 0.45. You notice nga kung imo lang i-add ang duha is equal to 1. Constant return to scale. Mo lang Cobb-Douglas production function. It is based on constant return to scale. But actually sa reality, doesn't need to have to be constant. Okay. Like for example sa ASEAN ito is more than one. Nag-research ko na ang ASEAN nations in general marag third ta sa tibuok kalibutan when it comes to gross domestic product. Anya ang atong total factor productivity, which is total factor productivity, ano siya, it's more than 1. Atong total factor productivity, that is the productivity of labor and productivity of capital plus other sources of productivity. Muna siyang total factor productivity, no? Siguro tungod sa human capital, pa-eskwela nimo ang imong mga trabahante, so naka-productive, or gi-increase nimo silang salary, kunya gitagaan nimo silang enough time to rest or enough time for the family. So dito ay balance of work and life, life of my family life. So balance na kayo. So nahimo productive ang mga employees. So posible nga na other sources, dili lang sa input, dili sa other depende sa management. Alright? And then ang atong price of labor is 600, price of capital is 250, dahil yung budgetan na to og 700. Pare-pareho sa indifference course, right? Like, the only difference nga ang asymptote mangod ang kuan, asymptotic ang indifference score because of the concept of kuan kanang itong the more the better. So first thing, kuha mo ang partial derivative, no? Partial derivative ani nga function with respect to L. Therefore, your K is constant. So, 0.55 kay 55 man iyang exponent dari times this. So, 55 L minus 1 na siya, nahimo na siya negative 0.45. As is na siya ang imong capital, 0.45 as is. Dayon 0.555 K 45 kanang negative nimo mo bring down sa ubos, mahimo na siyang L 0.45. Similarly mo gyapon with partial derivative of that function with respect to K. Therefore ang imong L is constant, so L 0.55. ang imong K 4.45 dali mo imong i-multiply sa 1.01, ha? 0.45 L 0.55 K negative 55, bring down na siya ang 55. Alright, and then kuha mo yung ratio, hindi mo siyang divide, and then i-equate mo sa ilang prices. Ang result is K is equal to 0.34089 L. Right? Alright. Okay? Imong i-divide ng duha, mo na siya. I-divide po nimo, i-equate nimo sa ilang presyo. K is equal to 0.34089 L. Alright? Imo din yung i-substitute dito sa equation, which is 600 L plus 250 capital equals 7,000. 600L plus 250 times 3.34089L, 7,000. L is 10.215. K is 3.4824. So, muna siya. Tangent sa imong ISO 1. Ang imong capital is 3.4824 while ang imong labor is 10.215. Now, makuha nimo ang productivity of labor. Which one is more productive, ani? Labor or capital? Makuha nimo yapon, no? Makuha nimo ang productivity of labor and capital. How? Well, ang imong productivity, pila to? Ang imong productivity, diniman nyo. Nara. Okay. We go back here. Mo ni siya imong productivity. Productivity of labor, productivity of capital. So, kung mo na gamiton, which one is more productive? So, which one is more productive? So, i-determine na ito siya karon, no? So, you have 0.55. Pila ang labor? Labor is 10.215. 0.55. Ang capital nimo is 3.48 3.4824 0.45. Okay? So, paano mo ang value na calculator. Kakadit lang. Ito sa kanan. Alright, so na-calculate. O tanang magirahin, ito productive na ni ang machineries ba, equipment or tao. Mga tanang isa nilo. Pilay per share sa labor when it comes to output. So 0.55 isa 3.48 24 raised to the power 0.45 times 10.215 raised to the power 0.55 times 0.55555. Oh, yeah, ay sasabi Unsay giuna na to kwan? Unsay giuna na to pag-derive? Labor. Labor. Okay. I-divide pa rin siya, no? Pila to. Mahuman siya. Pantang na magunay ang iyang kontan lisod pagtanaw. Kani siya. Muna siya atong margin of productivity labor. Kani. Ba? .5555 times pila to ang capital is 3.48 24 raised to the power 0.45 divided by 10.215 raised to the power 0.27. So kani siya is 0.55 dayon K 0.45 dayon dari is L 0.45. This is 0.271 299. Then the other one is 0.45 na to po L 0.55 i-divide di mas capital which is 0.55 muna productivity of labor. Okay, yeah, productivity of labor. So you have 0.45 times 10.215 raised to the power 0.55 divided by ang labor 0.45 times 0.215 raised to the power 0.55 i-divide din siya sa capital 3.48 24 raised to the power 0.55 0.82. So in that case ay productive di kayo ang capital ba? Productive yung capital kaysa labor, although mahal ang labor, pero when it comes to output productive kayong capital. So kung imong iyan ang point, iyan mo na siya which is actually equal to 1 kaya equal man siya constant return to scale. Iyan na to plus 0.27 129 1.27 129 ni-increase lang siya gamay 1. Anyway, 0.27 1299 plus 0.82 145 isublo siya 1.9. Anyway, that is supposed to be estimate ang lugar nato ni siya. It's more or less equal to constant return to scale. So here, marginal productivity of capital is higher compared sa labor. Ba? Despite the fact na daghan kay imong gi-hire nga labor, pero when it comes to output creation, ay necessary yung capital. In other words, kung ikaw ang tag-iya sa capital, mo ganang gibalagay mong capital higher. Mas expensive kaysa labor. Alright, so that's it.